Not only is it an electronic level, one of the best things about it is with this LED screen, there's not an actual bubble level that you have to look at, which can take a lot of time and to me be quite distracting. This is super simple to where it just has your three colors: red, blue, and the one that you're looking for, green. And that way you can keep your vision through your scope on your reticle and focused, and out of your peripheral vision still see these colors and make your adjustments without ever having to distract your eye. So that's one thing that I really like about this in the world of levels.